Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SendGrid for transactional email delivery, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the SendGrid website. Create a new account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information such as your email address and password. Once you complete the sign-up process, check your email for a verification link. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Log into your SendGrid account using your credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the SendGrid dashboard. Locate the API Keys section in the sidebar menu. Click on Create API Key to generate a new key. Give your API key a descriptive name for easy identification. Select the appropriate permissions for your API key. Once you've made your selections, click Create and View. Take note of your new API key, as you will need it later. Now, navigate to your application or platform that will utilize SendGrid. In your application settings, look for the Email Configuration section. Input the SendGrid SMTP server details, which are typically smtp.sendgrid.net. Set the port to either 587 for TLS or 465 for SSL. Use your SendGrid API key as the username. For the password, also input the SendGrid API key. Save your configuration settings within your application. To test the integration, send a test email from your application. Check your inbox to confirm that the email has been successfully delivered. If you encounter any issues, consult the SendGrid documentation for troubleshooting tips. Once everything is confirmed, you are ready to use SendGrid for transactional email delivery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.